what you need. Hair on fleek, come see me. What you want, what you need. Your face beat, Princess Reese.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we did a Euphoria inspired look. I also did this look on my birthday last year. So I decided to recreate it and give it a Euphoria feel with my poster girl dress. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new vlogs, tutorials, etc. And stay tuned to learn how to achieve this makeup look. So I started off by filling in my brows with Anastasia Dip Brow in the color chocolate. And guys, please don't mind my voice. I lost it last night. The voiceover is only for the first minute of the video. So yeah, I'm using a double-sided brush to just lightly fill it in. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Deep Caramel. Then to highlight my brows, I'm going in with Tan Sand. And as usual, all products will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check out the description box if you're interested in purchasing these products. Using my favorite primer, I'm using the P. Louise base. I'm pretty much recreating the look that I have for my birthday. Euphoria is so popular right now, so this is like the perfect look to recreate as inspiration. Okay, so these are the rhinestones that I'm going to be using. I don't know if y'all could see. I got these from Amazon and I kind of like depotted my own into here. So these like little mini ones are the ones that I'm gonna use. Honestly, this look is so simple and easy to recreate. So I pretty much just put a rhinestone in the tear ducts, the outer tear duct underneath, and right here, so that when I look straight, you can see it. So I'm gonna put on my lashes first, and then I'm gonna do the rhinestones. So Reese Artistry Mink Lashes, of course, in the style Princess. This is how. So this is how Princess looks. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm just gonna apply a thin layer. I love that Euphoria has so many like creative makeup looks. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna use Macao and Marquise's a natural radiant foundation. And what I was saying was, I love that the show incorporates so many different like makeup looks. They're pretty much like editorial makeup looks, and I just love that each character sort of has their own style when it comes to makeup. Like each episode, every girl has a look, and I love it. I love Maddie's looks. I feel like Maddie's looks are kind of like my top favorite because they always give her like these bold liner, sharp liner, rhinestones. Cassie's looks are always cute too. One look that I really liked that Cassie had was the rhinestone like wing. That was fire. Insert some photos from the show. You can literally just draw like 3 dots, boom, 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 and that's a look. Like, so easy and wearable as well. That's what I love about them too. And today I'm actually I'm going to like a sneaker store grand opening, so I'm also like vlogging today. And just know I'm gonna keep on this makeup. Like, I'm not even gonna take it off because I can still wear this look outside, you know what I mean? This is not like a look that I have to just wear it and wipe it off. I mean, I did wear this look in the streets of Italy and I was getting a lot of compliments, a lot of compliments. People were really feeling it. So I'm like trying to hurry up because I do have a client. I know she's gonna walk in like, okay, Reese, this is the makeup look you gonna fix for today. I'm like, yeah, girl. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara using my They're Real by Benefit mascara. Yeah, and guys, I'm also going to make the TikTok with the "Where is your uniform?" What I'm going to wear is my poster girl dress that I never got to wear last summer. That poster girl dress to me screams Euphoria. I don't know what it is. It's the holes. It's the holes in the front. It's the holes on the side. The rhinestones. The fringe at the end. It screams Euphoria. So I figured, oh my gosh, this is like the perfect dress to wear for this video and for this look. So next, I think I'm gonna apply the rhinestones last because it is gonna be like underneath as well, so I might as well just wait until I'm finished. So for concealer under my eyes, I'm gonna use the same combo for my brows. So tan sand, I'm gonna apply tan sand first in the inner tear duct. Where is your uniform? I absolutely love that sound. It's just so fire. I'm really trying to like speed this process up so that I have enough time to finish my TikTok and time to clean up and set up for my next client. Okay, so I'm gonna do above the lip. Now to contour, I'm gonna use a black opals foundation stick in the color Beautiful Bronze. Then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and just blend this out. Can you guys comment below, like, who's your favorite character on Euphoria? So my favorite character is Maddie. Her feistiness, I love that she's herself. I don't know, I think that's why I really like her character. Even with them showing like her childhood and how like she grew up like doing pageants, like she's always been like a girly girl. And I feel like, I don't know, that kind of resonates with me. Like I've always been like a girly girl. I was always into makeup. I used to dance, junior high school in a company. How she's just so unapologetically herself, comes to school looking like a bad bitch. I just love it. Like I love her bedroom too, like the pink and everything. I just also felt like doing my makeup in the studio was perfect because it's obviously so pink in here. Sasha Buttercup. I'll also try to find the links for the rhinestones, so I'll put it in the description box below so you guys can purchase them as well. And then I also have this like rhinestone picker upper. I don't know if that's what it's called, rhinestone picker or something. This is what I'm just gonna use to like pick up the stones and stick them. So just gonna put some black eyeliner on my lower lash line. This is the Inglot 77 gel liner. Use the Juvia's Place. This is the deep dark bronzer. I'm gonna use the color on the bottom just to add some dimension and just apply that on my lower lash line. I'm going to bronze with the same bronzer. Gonna go in with deep dark, contour and bronze with that. Yep, volume 1, so I'm gonna use the orange. I'm gonna use the orange color. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls, always over blush. This is the rhinestones that I'm going to use, so it's like a really small size. Yeah, so they come in a pack like this, and I pretty much just like put them in this container so that it's more organized. Apply the dot, so I'm gonna apply a dot right here. So pretty much when I look straight forward, you want to be able to see the rhinestone right there, and then one right here. With that, I'm just gonna use MAC Gold Deposit. I'm just gonna put like a little highlight on my nose. For the lips, my Kiss Luxury Intense Retractable Lip Liner. NYX Creme Brulee water gloss. Or Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Oh my gosh! Y'all, my client just told me that her boyfriend proposed to her yesterday. So yeah, that is it for the Euphoria look. I'm gonna go put on my outfit and I'll be right back. Yes, so this is my poster girl dress. And I'm about to just take out my hair and complete my look. I really enjoyed creating this look, and thank you guys for tuning into this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoy this Euphoria look. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Princess wigs. Princess wigs. Princess wigs.